Stop thinking about your charger for a second and look at what is actually on your wrist. Most of us are stuck in this annoying loop where we love the tech but hate the battery life. It is the same story every single night. You get home, you take off the watch, and it sits on a magnetic puck because it cannot survive 24 hours of actual use. That is the exact mountain the latest fourth generation wearable from OnePlus is trying to climb. They are not reinventing the wheel with the design this time around. At a distance, it looks almost identical to the model that came before it, but the shifts are all in the materials and the build quality. They have moved to a full titanium alloy for the case. This makes the whole thing feel noticeably lighter while somehow becoming significantly more rugged. It carries the highest level of water and dust protection you can find in a consumer gadget. It even meets those intense military-grade standards for durability. If you are someone who regularly bangs their arm against door frames or goes for deep swims, this is built for you. The screen is another massive talking point. It is big, it is crisp, and it gets incredibly bright. We are talking about brightness levels that rival the most expensive flagship smartphones on the market. Even in the middle of a sunny day, you are not going to be squinting to see your heart rate or your notifications. On the software side, they are running the newest version of the Google Wearable system. This includes deep integration with their latest artificial intelligence tools. You can talk to your watch and get actual helpful answers instead of just basic commands. However, there is a big debate happening in the tech community right now. People are looking at the specifications and noticing something strange. They decided to keep the same processing chip from their previous watch. They did not upgrade the brain of the device. For a brand new flagship model, that feels like a risky choice. Critics on the internet are already asking if this is just a minor polish rather than a true evolution. There is also the lingering shadow of software updates. Historically, this brand has struggled to keep their wearables updated as quickly as the competition. A watch is only as good as the support it gets over time. If they cannot promise years of smooth performance, that premium titanium shell will not mean much in the long run. Still, you cannot deny the practical appeal here. If you want a watch that lasts for days, looks like a high-end timepiece, and can take a serious beating, this is a top contender. It is a play for the people who care more about build quality and battery than having the newest chip on the block. We have to wait and see if the software catches up to the hardware. If they nail the updates, they might finally have the perfect alternative to the bigger names in the space. It is a bold bet on durability and longevity. Time will tell if users think it is worth the price of admission. It feels like we are at a turning point for these devices where reliability matters more than fancy new gimmicks. If this watch can truly deliver on its promises, it might just change the way we think about the daily charging struggle for good. It is all about whether you value consistent performance over having the absolute latest internal components. For many people, a watch that simply works and lasts is the ultimate goal.